Welcome to this lesson on yes and no. In this video, you'll learn the essential phrases for expressing agreement and disagreement in English conversations. Mastering these basic responses is the foundation for any English learner. Let's get started. Let's begin with the most basic responses. The simplest way to say yes in English is just yes. You can also use yeah, which is a more relaxed version. For negative responses, you can say no or nope. Nope is informal and casual. These are the building blocks of all responses in English. Context is important when responding. In formal situations, like professional interviews or talking to strangers, use yes, of course, or no, I'm afraid not. These show politeness and professionalism. In casual conversations with friends, you can say yeah, sure, or nah, not really. Always match your response to the situation you're in. When you want to give stronger responses, you can use extended phrases. For positive agreement, say yes, absolutely, yes, definitely, of course, or sure thing. For disagreement, use no, not at all, no way, definitely not, or not really. These responses show more emphasis and personality in your communication. Now let's see these phrases in real conversations. Person A asks, "Do you like coffee?" Person B responds, "Yes, I love it in the morning." Notice how the response starts with yes and adds a reason. In another example, person A asks, "Can you come tomorrow?" Person B says, "No, I'm busy that day." Always add context to your yes or no answers to make conversations more natural. Here are 4 important tips. First, short answers matter. Always repeat the auxiliary verb in your response. If someone asks, "Do you speak English?" Answer, "Yes, I do," not just yes. Second, match the tone to the situation. Use casual responses with friends and formal responses in professional settings. Third, add context to your answers. Don't just say yes or no, briefly explain why. Fourth, listen for key words in questions. Words like do, can, or will tell you to give a yes or no answer. Let's look at common mistakes. Mistake 1 is giving incomplete answers. Don't just say yes when asked, "Do you like pizza?" Instead say, "Yes, I do." This sounds more natural. Mistake 2 is using the wrong formality level. Never say yep in a formal meeting. Use yes, of course, instead. Mistake 3 is confusing similar sounds. Yes, yeah, and yep all mean the same thing, but they're used in different contexts. Pay attention to when native speakers use each one. Let's review what we've learned. Essential phrases include yes, yeah, and yep for positive responses, and no, nope, and of course. Remember that context always matters. Use formal responses in professional situations, casual responses with friends, and informal responses in everyday conversations. Most importantly, practice these phrases in real conversations. Consistency builds fluency. Keep using these responses in your daily English practice, and you'll become more confident and natural.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.